What can I say about hiking? Hiking is a way to experience God's creation one footstep at a time.
Guys, this is the trail right here. All right, you guys. That was a hard climb. Now I'm going to find a tree and leave. Got my kid. All right, see you in a little bit.
It is discovering all the things in which you have never seen before unless you get on your hiking boots and start traveling. But recently, early this year, I decided to take up mountain biking. It is something I very much enjoy. And to combine the two together has been full of wonders. Sometimes you feel like you get lost, but then sometimes you enjoy this solitude and you enjoy the fact that you got to find your way out of the woods. This is my journey to explore new things, to open up my mind to new wonders, and to see all that God has created. Everyone should take the time out to love the things that are around them, to wake up and feel the dew underneath your feet, or just see the flowers bloom for the very first time and know that it's been pollinated just for you, to know that there's new growth and new life that's out there. You guys, this is my journey. My journey to make it to Katahdin, but also a journey that there is new life and there's new growth and a time to explore exactly who God has created you to be.
No joke, you guys. No joke.
Every level in your life, you get a little bit stronger and you wake up to new wonders. And just embracing that and just loving all that's around you, your family, your friends, and know that there's a great outdoors out there that you can still explore. I still have more exploring to do. Either it's by foot and hiking or on the mountain bike. I want to enjoy every bit of it. I have 2 more things to combine to this journey, as this channel is turning into an adventure channel. So many things that we will need to experience before you never know what's around the bend. You guys, don't take life for granted. Just keep going. Put one foot before the other.
Alright, so
Take one turn before the next. And live life to the greatest. You only have one. Until next time, see ya.